Good afternoon, students. In previous session, we are discussed about cations, anions, acid radical, basic radicals, how to write the chemical formulas. In this session, now we are going to discuss what is atomic number, mass number, isotopes, isobars. Like that informations we are going to see small definitions. These are very useful in further concepts. Is it clear? Now we are going through the we are going to the first atomic number. Okay, first what is atomic number? To understand, before that, inside the atom, what are the particle present? We have to see, sir. In generally, at the time of Dalton's theory, he is assumed like that atom is indivisible. But after that, so many experiments done on atom, they in that experiment proved that atom consists of some particles that is we call as subatomic particle. Among that, it contains more than 100 types of subatomic particle. Among them, the main important subatomic particles which are playing an important role of mass and chemical reactions, such a particles we call as fundamental particles. Is it clear? What are the fundamental particles present inside atom? Means here there are three fundamental particles are there. What are there? Electron, proton, neutron. Regarding this mass and charges, if you see further atomic number, and these are to understand very easy. So first you see mass number, we have to see what's the mass and charge of electron, proton, neutron. Okay, look at here. So in out of all subatomic particles, the main important subatomic particle that is we call as fundamental particles which are present inside the atom. Look at here, sir. First one, it is electron. Mass of electron 1.9 into 10 to the power minus 37. You see 1.9 into 10 to the power minus 37 kgs means 1.9 divided by 10 to the power minus 31 kgs. You see, a fraction we can't imagine that much negligible mass belongs to the electron. Okay, now you see if the same mass, if you are expressed in AMU, atomic, AMU means what, sir? Full form, atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit. In atomic mass units, it is 0.000548. Means round figure if you take, we can consider as simply it is 0 AMU. Is it correct? Actually, it is not 0, slight greater than 0. Okay. Sir, charge of electron minus 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs, or else minus 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 10 electrostatic units. The charge, okay, electrostatic, ES electrostatic units, C for coulombs. Here, relative charge means compared with proton, its relative charge we can consider as minus 1. Consider as minus 1. Okay, now come to the proton. Proton, you see, sir, here proton mass 1.672 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kg. Okay. In AMU's unit, if you see 1.00728 AMU, relatively considered as 1 AMU. Is it clear? 1 AMU. Okay, carefully see. Now 1 AMU. As compared to mass of proton, mass of electron, as compared to mass of proton, mass of electron 1837 times is less. Therefore, we can write like this based on that what's mass of proton is 1837 times heavier than, proton is heavier than 1837 heavier than mass of electron. Remember, It is mass of proton 1837 times heavier than mass of electron. Suppose if you consider as 1 gram, if you consider just 1 gram, electron how many times? 1837 means, so electron if it considers 1 gram, proton mass 1837 gram. 1837 means nearly 2000 grams. 2000 means it is nothing but 2 kgs. Okay, nearly 2 kgs this one, but it is minute, it is 1 gram. Okay, that is the comparison. So that much difference will be there between mass of electron and mass of proton. So this is a positive charged particle proton. What's the charge? Same charge of electron, charge of proton equal in magnitude, opposite in direction. Okay, so Coulomb's value, SU value same. Relative charge of electron -1, whereas relative charge of proton is +1. Remember that one. Carefully see, neutron is the chargeless massive particle. There is no charge, only mass is there. Okay, now what that mass? It is also 1.0086. So you see, among these 3 particles, these 2 are massive particle. Even in between proton and neutron, slightly neutron is heavier particle, means mass of proton mass of neutron slightly heavier than mass of proton. But neutron, there is no charge inside the atom. What are the particles mainly present? Electron, proton, neutron. Among these, by observing this all, inside the center of atom, here what will present in center? Proton plus neutron. Proton plus neutron. Total proton plus neutron is massive particle. So entire atom maximum 99% mass present in at center of the atom, that is we call as nucleus. This nucleus contain proton and neutron. Some of the proton plus neutrons we can also call as nucleons. Some of proton plus neutrons we can call as nucleons, or some of proton plus neutron also called as mass number. That and all we discussed in the definition. Heaviest particle neutron, lightest particle electron. Okay, now okay, positive charged particle proton, negatively charged particle electron. Is it clear? These points you try to remember. In further atom structure of atom lesson also it revise, but to discuss some basics, these values are required. So here what we are find, proton is positive charge, electron is negative charge, neutron is chargeless particle. Based on this, now we are going to discuss atomic number, mass number, and so you see, atomic number, it is denoted with Z. So to understand the atomic number, we are giving 2 types of definitions. What first definition you see, sir? Atomic number defined as number of protons or number of electrons. Protons will be the second definition we will mention. Okay. Right. You can write that also in the basic definition. Number of atomic number defined as number of proton and defined as number of protons or number of electrons, or none, it is not and. Atomic number defined as number of protons or number of electrons present in an neutral atom. Present in a neutral atom. Carefully see. Number of protons or number of electron present in neutral atom we can consider as, okay, what's that? Atomic number. Carefully see. Suppose here you see atomic number is equal to number of protons, means number of proton is P, that equal to number of electrons in neutral atom. Number of electrons in neutral atom. Ion electrons. Ion means it is negative or positive. Neutral means no negative, no positive. Okay now. So number of electron in neutral atom only, it is equal to atomic number. Carefully see. Number of electron in cation or number of electron in anion never equals to atomic number. Is a clear? So carefully listen. Example. Yes, sodium. We see in previous class. Sodium atomic number 11. Atomic number was 11. Therefore, atomic number equal to number of protons, that is equal to number of electrons, that equal to what's 11 only. Number of electrons in number of protons 11. Reason is that in every neutral atom if you take number of protons equal to number of electron, means total positive charge equal to total negative charge. Here sum of the negative charge equal to sum of the positive charge, then only it become neutral. So any neutral atom is taken, in that no doubt what will happen, sir? Number of protons equal to number of electron. So atomic number is equal to number of protons of an atom or number of electrons of neutral atom. One more definition you see, sir. Here for the definition, this atomic number defined as number of protons present in atomic number defined as number of protons present in an neutral atom or ion or its ion. Its ion. Its ion. Carefully see. Atomic number defined as number of protons. Here also number of proton present in a neutral atom or its ion. Ion means what, sir? It is cation or anion. How it is forms? Cation formed by the loss of electron. Anion is produced by the gain of electron. Carefully see. Suppose if I am taken Na plus. What is the meaning of Na plus? We have to see, sir. Okay, to understand this one, some examples I will take. Definition second one you see. Number of in atomic number defined as number of protons present in a neutral atom or ion. For this to get the clarification, one general example I will take here. You see, sodium atom only I am taken. In this sodium atom, atomic number 11, sir. Mass number later I will write in not given information. For you already mass number definition not yet over, that's why just atomic number I write that. Sir, it is no charge, so in this number of electron equal to number of proton. So here number of protons is equal to 11, number of electron is equal to 11. Each proton relative charge plus 1, each electron relative charge minus 1. Okay now, so total 11 protons, 11 into minus 1 minus 11, sorry, 11 into plus 1 plus 11, 11 into minus 1, it become what, sir? Minus 11, plus 11 minus 11, it equal to sum of these two values equal to 0. So its charge is neutral. Sir, when you remove the one electron, minus E minus, minus indicate electron removed from the atom. Okay, now here what will happen is, sir, in this protons no change, just only we remove the electron. Initially 11 electrons are there, in this one electron we removed, then remaining electrons how many are here? Here 11 minus 1, 10 electrons are there. Okay, now atomic number never change here. Ion atom atomic number is constant. One electron removed means atomic number no change. Reason inside the nucleus protons are constant. While forming ion, loss of electron or gain of electron only takes place. No change in the number of protons. Is it clear? So here electrons are 10, protons are 11. What is the total charge? 11 protons, 11 into plus 1 plus 11. Okay, here 10 into minus 1 minus 10, sum of plus 11 and minus 10, it equal to plus 1. While removing one electron, what will happen? Removing one electron means one minus we are removed. Then what charge appeared on this atom? Positive charge. The net charge present on atom, positive charge. Carefully see, in atom number of electrons, number of protons are equal. At the same time these numbers are equal to atomic number. Come to here, this is ion, it possesses positive charge. Here atomic number 11, it equal to number of protons. But in this ion, number of electrons are less than atomic number. Is it clear now? So in any ion, what will happen? In any cation or anion, number of electrons not equal to atomic number. That electron may be greater than atomic number or may be less than an atomic number. In anion, electrons are more than atomic number. In cation, electrons are less than atomic number. That example is see. This is cation, positive charge. Your atomic number 11, electrons are 10. Your electrons less than atomic number. One more example you have to see. Magnesium, atomic number 24. Look at here, number of proton, sorry for the mistake, mass number, that is atomic number 12. Okay, how many protons are there here? 12 protons, electrons are 12. When I was removed one electron, then what happened? Mg, it is 12 only, protons 12 only, but which is we removed electron, so electron number decreases, it become 11. Okay, now here sum of this plus 12 minus 11, reason, well, each electron minus 1 into 11 minus 11 plus 1 into 11, 12 plus 12, sum of these two equal to plus 1, that is I wrote here. Is it clear? Okay, now one more electron I am going to remove here. What will happen? Now it become Mg 12, protons are 12, electron here already 11, from this one you remove, remaining how many sir? 10. Now plus 12 minus 10 is equal to plus 12 minus 10 plus 2. This is the net charge of Mg plus 2. Mg plus 2 means what, sir? Here Mg plus 2 means 2 electron lost. Okay, Mg plus 1 means 1 electron lost. And here plus, here how much charge is there, that indicate on cation how much charge is present, that indicate that number of electrons already lost from the neutral atom. So based on this, one point you have to write here, number of electrons in cation, important. Number of electrons in cation is equal to number of electrons in cation is equal to Z is nothing but atomic number minus total positive charge on ion. Atomic number minus total positive charge on ion. It indicates what, sir? Total number of electrons present in a cation. Cation electron equal to atomic number minus total positive charge on each ion. Okay. So carefully see. This is the total. Suppose based on this one problem you have to do. A dipositive ion contains, a dipositive ion contains 18 electrons. A dipositive ion, positive is cation only. A dipositive ion contains 18 electron. Come on, what is its atomic number? What is its atomic number? Can you calculate? Okay, number of electrons. Carefully see formula. What is its atomic number? Means Z they are asking. Okay, number of electrons in cation is equal to Z minus what's that? Total positive charge. Is it clear? What is number of electron in cation they given? 18. Okay. Write down. Next, what is atomic number? We don't know. As the Z write down. Minus total positive charge. How much positive charge is there? That magnitude you should write. Di-positive. Di means here 2, tri, 3, tetra, 4, penta, 5. Okay. So di-positive means here that ion having positive charge 2. So 2 you should take. Positive 2 means plus 2, no need to write. Okay. That magnitude you should write. Therefore, from this Z is equal to 18 plus 2 equal to 20. It indicates that is what, sir? Calcium. What that is? Calcium. Okay. Now come to the anion. Sir, down not appear. That's why I wrote here. You see, 18 is equal to Z minus 2. That equal to 2. Sorry. Z is equal to what happened? 18 plus 2, that equal to 20. It indicates what, sir? That is calcium. Okay. Now come to the anion. Now another example you see, sir. 3. Here oxygen I am taken, atomic number 8. Protons 8, electrons 8. Okay. Due to high electronegativity, it can ready to accept electrons from outside. So, one electron after giving to this one, what happened? You check it, sir. Protons are 8, no change. Electrons 8 plus 1, it become 9. Sir, total proton plus 8 charge, Total electron charge minus 9. Net charge is minus 1. Okay. For this one more electron I am going to add. That electron after add, what happened you have to see. Sir, here O8 proton no change as this I wrote. Electrons here what they 9. For this extra one more added, so it become what sir? 10. One electron adding means what that is? One electron adding is nothing but it indicate adding is nothing but it indicate what sir? minus 1 is adding. So you see plus 8 protons minus 10 electron, it equal to what sir? This is what? Minus 2. I wrote here minus 2. So here based on this, what we are understanding, number of electrons in anion is equal to atomic number plus total negative charge. Total negative charge. Okay. Total negative charge. If you add that is we can use. Based on this, one more example I am going to calculate. SO4 minus 2 number contains how many electrons? How many electrons? Look at here. To find that electrons, see sir, atomic number. What is the formula? Anion, number of electron in anion is equal to atomic number plus total negative charge. But here not one atom, it is compound ion. So what you have to take? Sum of atomic numbers of all atoms. So here number of electrons in anion is equal to sulfur atomic number. What is there? That is 16 plus oxygen atomic number 8 plus total negative charge means 2. It equal to how many electrons are present? These are we call 10 plus 16. It is nothing but 26 electrons are present. 26 electrons present. In the same way, one more example. 5 CO3 minus 2. Carbon atomic number. You should practice atomic numbers. Carbon atomic number. Number of electrons. Carbon atomic number 6. So here 6 electrons present. Oxygen 8 atomic number. Like that, how many oxygens are there? 3 oxygen. Every oxygen atom contain 8 electron. 3 oxygen contain 3 into 8. Okay. 3 into 8 electron. Here negative charge plus. So total electrons, how many sir? Here 24. 3 8s are 24 plus 2. 24 plus 2. 26 plus 6. What will happen? 26. Total these are electrons are 32 electrons present in CO3 minus 2. In the same way, example 6. Al plus 3. How many electrons are present? It is a cation. So number of electrons is equal to what sir? 13. Yet cation means what we should take? Number of electrons. Here atomic number minus total positive charge minus 3. Therefore it equal to how many electrons? Here what's it? 10 electrons. Carefully see, isoelectron, based on these electrons we are going to count. So now one more example, one more terminals we are going to see what that means. Isoelectronic species. Isoelectronic species. In chemistry, iso means similar, means atom or group of atom which contains same number of electron, that is we can call as what's that? Isoelectronic species. Carefully listen. Atoms are a group of atoms or ions which contains same number of electrons. They are called isoelectronic species. What's that? Isoelectronic species. An atom or group of atom or ions which contain same number of electrons, they are called as isoelectronic species. Carefully see. Isoelectronic species. Example: N3 minus O minus 2 F minus Ne Na plus Mg plus 2 Al plus 3. Okay. Can you check the electrons so many present? Simple formula. Anion electron means atomic number plus total negative charge. Cation electron means atomic number minus total positive charge. Neutral atom is that atomic number equal to number of electron equal to atomic number. Sorry, see here electrons. Electrons means what? Atomic number. Sir, this is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here down corner what I wrote, that is we call as atomic numbers. To find the electrons, what you have to do? Here 7 plus 3, 10 electrons. Come to the second one. Here what's that? This is nitrogen. Oxygen, what is there? 8 plus 2, 10 electrons. Okay. Now fluoride ion, 9 plus 1, that equal to 10 electrons. Now neon, 10 plus no negative, no positive, means 0 adding. So it is equal to 10 electron. Here 11, positive charge is there. Up to here negative ions, here plus I did. But positive ion, what you have to do? 11 11 minus 1, that equal to 10 electron. Here 12 minus 2, 10 electron. Here 13 minus 3, 10 electron. So these are neutral atom or anion, cation, all they contain equal number of electron, that is 10 electron. That's why this set of ions and neutral atoms we are called as isoelectronic species. Isoelectronic species. Okay. Sir, one more small definition. Isosters. Isostar means the molecules which have same atomicity and the molecules which have same atomicity and same number of electrons. The molecules which have same atomicity and same number of electrons, they are called isosters. What, sir? They are called isosters. One example I am going to give for this isosters. One, N2O, CO2. Sir, look at here. First, what is atomicity? This meaning you should know. The number of atoms present in each molecule is called atomicity. The number of atoms present in each molecule is atomicity. Now see, sir, here atomicity, here what we have to do? 2 nitrogen plus 1, total 3. Here 1 carbon plus 2 oxygen, total atomicity 3. Okay. In the same way, number of electron, carefully see, number of electrons. Here how many nitrogen atom? All are neutral, no negative, no positive. 2 nitrogens, so 7 plus 7. 1 oxygen plus 8. This equal to what, sir? 14 plus 22 electrons are present. Now come to here. Here how many electrons are there? 6 plus 8. 1 carbon, 6 oxygen, each oxygen 8. 2 oxygens are there. 6 plus 8 plus 8. Here these are also 22 electron. The molecules which have same atomicity and same number of electrons, they are called as isosters. Is it clear? Sir, now we have the class actually to record much more. So in another session, I will continue the atom, isotopes, isobars, isotones, like that information I will give to you. Okay, based on this, some homework sheet I will send to our group section. Okay, our group I will send. After seeing this video, you try to solve that one. Thank you one and all. Carefully you have to concentrate, you listen and you practice, and if you have doubts you can ask. First of all, thank you for your patience. So many students, you done that homework and sent to me in your through WhatsApp group. For that your patience and work. Okay, you maintain this interest till end the NEET and JEE exams in second PU. Then you will get the some benefit. Okay, thank you one and all. Bye bye.